Hey there, this is Matt from Automation Consulting Services and bringing you a video today on how you can create an access point to the Twitter API, Twitter X API. So just jumping right into it here, you're going to want to head to developer.x.com and then you will need to be signed in to a Twitter account. So I just made a test user account for this video. You're going to click on Developer Portal. That is going to take you to this page here, and then you are going to sign up for a free account. If you want to pay for the Pro or the Basic, you can do that, but you can see it's pretty expensive. So we're just going to sign up for the free account. You do need to describe your use cases for Twitter and how you're going to use their data. They just like to know to keep track of people. Typically, what I will do for this is I will just copy this and then go through it in ChatGPT and just say generate a response for me to this. And we'll just let that throw something out. That should be perfect. I think it needs 240 characters or something like that. That's great. If you are going to be doing, serious work, you might want to think a little bit more about that just because Twitter does take this stuff seriously. So since this is for test purposes, I'm just going to blow through it. Yep. And we got to agree to all their things. So again, right, definitely don't want to violate developer agreements. That could jeopardize your whole project. And then we'll hit submit. And something went wrong, but it doesn't matter because we're in. So once you are in here, I'm going to show you the most important things you're going to need. And if you are coming from another one of my videos, especially for N8N, you are going to want to click right here to start. So you got some tabs over on the side, but click here, keys and tokens. And then you are going to need to generate you have your API key and secret. You're going to have to generate a bearer token. That's fine. Yes, I saved it. So I saved it. That's great. And then you're going to have to come over here as well, and you will have to set up this. And so if you want to post to Twitter, X, you need to change your permissions here. So the first thing you're going to change is read and write in direct message. That'll give you access to do kind of everything you want to do. Type of app you're going to make is a web app, automated app, or bot. And then the callback URL. If you're coming from one of my N8N videos, you should have that in the video. But otherwise it'll be dependent on kind of what you need, your use case. And then the website URL will just be the base. So, right, if you are one of my viewers from another video, HTTPS, right, it'd be something like, n8n.cloud, .username.cloud, /callback, something like that. And then the base URL would just be, minus the callback, the path afterwards. So those are invalid, right? They're not right. So put in a legit URL for that. Those are two things you need. And then scroll down and then you can click save. Once you click save, it's going to generate your client ID and your client secret. You're going to grab those in addition to those other tokens that you generated, which you'll have saved somewhere. I didn't save them because this is a test account. And then you'll have everything you need in order to get API access. It is important to know, though, just a pro tip. If you are using this API, it is a bit of a beast in terms of the documentation. So let me just show you. Let's go back here, developer portal. And in terms of your rate limits, so monthly rate limits, product offerings. So this will show you, this is the page you want to go to. Just click on the product offerings, or you can type into Google But you can see there's a bunch of different API endpoints. Each one of these endpoints is going to do a different thing for you. I mean, it's not, if you're a programmer, there should be no problem for you. If you're not a programmer, you've got a bit of work cut out for you before you're going to be able to effectively use this API, unless you're just following a tutorial from someone else, and then maybe you can get it done. But you can see here's the pricing as well. You get free, basic, pro. You can see it gets quite pricey, but there are very limited rates at which you can take things from Twitter, right? So one request every 15 minutes for getting a tweet or something like that. You can post, I think, 15 tweets in a day on the free plan, which is fine if you're doing simple things. So anyway, that concludes the video. If you do find yourself struggling with this and you want to hire a team of professionals to help you get this project done and across the finish line faster, please check out our channel here with Automation Consulting Services. We are happy to help you. We cannot help everyone. It will depend kind of on the scope of your project and on your budget, but we'd love to help you in whatever way we can. So check out our channel for more videos, and please reach out to us through our channel as well. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and we will see you on the next one. Bye now.